Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this whole thing here may look like the past couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices, because again, each one of these, instead of representing an entire day, just represents 4 hours of time. And I like to do this time frame, I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out what the general story easier to see. I should note though that Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15-20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to do that by talking about just some general levels and walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So question number one that you need to ask yourself, and I talked about this in Wednesday's video, but it's all about that area right up there at 11,400. And you can see since the last update I did, the price did make another move at it. And you can see, sure, the price didn't hit it exactly, but I mean, the price definitely got very close to potentially getting above that level. Unfortunately, though, it was rejected once again. And I don't say rejected in like a massively bearish way, just in a way of, yeah, it's struggling. It can't quite get up through there. So you're going to want to continue to watch that. And like I said, that'll be the first question to ask yourself. So let's just use that 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it. Question number one, nothing fancy, just where's the price at relative to 11,400? And then from here, common sense, gut instincts will go a long way, meaning if you're answering the question, well, Clay, the price is up above 11,400. Well, okay, well, how far up above it? And the further the price is up above 11,400, that just tells you the stronger the break and the more bullish of the situation. Now, on the flip side of things, maybe you're saying, well, no, Clay, it's actually still down below 11,400. At that time, that's perfectly okay. That doesn't mean anything negative per se. But the next question and inventory check you would want to ask is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that level down there at 10,400? Now, if somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below that area, even at that point, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart's ruined or destroyed, but that would be a little bit more of a red flag that maybe there's something not quite right with the chart. Again, not a guarantee, and doesn't mean that for sure something's broken, but just an area where, yeah, you know what? Maybe something's starting to shift as far as the general health of the chart. But as of right now, I mean, the price isn't anywhere even close to 10,400. So really, that's the couple of possibilities. Or else you're just saying, well, Clay, no, the price is still down below 11,400, but it is still up above 10,400. So at that point, one word could be used to summarize that price movement, and that would just be consolidation. That would just imply that the price is going back and forth, and that's a very real possibility also. But all in all, Bitcoin chart remains healthy, and it'll be interesting to see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.